Hi, my name is Daniel Watkins.
Hello, my name is Jonas Stobe.
สวัสดีค่ะพี่ชื่อณัฐกุลฉิมม่วงนะคะ
你好，我叫赵斌。
Bonjour, je m'appelle Virana Savadi.
Namaste, मेरा नाम कल्पेश है.
Bonjour, je m'appelle วัจนธรตันติทานทอง
Leho Ograming.
So I take care of three main product lines in the bar system department. The first one is marine tie rods. The second is the tension bars and compression struts, or we refer to architecture bar system. And my third product line that I also take care of is the post-tensioning bar system.
We have been involved in a lot of infrastructure projects in Hong Kong. For example, the Anderson Road underpass, and also the Central Kowloon route, and the Lam Tin Tunnel as well. We supply quite a few products such as the rock bolt, the fiberglass soil nail, the lattice girder for tunnel roof support, and more importantly, we supply millions of couplers for those projects.
One of the most iconic projects I supplied is Doha Metro. Between 2013 and 2016, we have been involved on the construction of the metro, which required couplers, sonic tubes, GFRP soft tie, and as well a brand new product, which is GFRP active anchors.
We are responsible for the qualification and the verification of the performance of our products, so we can ensure that we can sell our products on the markets and qualify our products for new markets as well.
The projects that I have in hand, I manage the actions and the schedules, as well as update the progress continuously for all the projects.
To overcome these challenges, I will create a priority to-do list, and it always helps me feel like I have sense and control.
We are not only responsible but also accountable for the decision we make. In my short period of 6 months of my appointment, I have been accountable for making decisions relating to inventory optimization, MIS, and data analysis.
I started the e-ticket system for after-sales department, and using this system has helped us to improve customer satisfaction and preventing the machine breakdown.
As a manager, management let me lead by take the ownership. We will have the problem every day, but we will need to have the action, and then the aim is to make the production smoothly.
I'm able to grow both in technical aspect and managerial aspect. So for technical aspect, I'm able to have a hand-on experience with the machines that I work with, in contrast to just doing design and calculation in the office. So I know more about motors, control, and automation in Dextra. For the managerial aspect, I'm able to improve my interpersonal skills because I have to deal with various departments such as procurement, maintenance, and even sometimes logistics.
Dextra gives me a big chance of being successful by hardworking and being responsible. My career path along this 15 years is growing up. I start by being a secretary, and now I become an executive assistant, and I am being able to participate in the million US dollar project that our company and our team is working right now.
I currently have projects with international collaboration with our company in China, and from this experience, I get to work closely with people from different culture, and this teaches me to manage projects from a long distance as well.
One of my main parts in my job is to work hand in hand with our affiliates worldwide, as well as the communication with clients, with projects, with laboratories, and certification bodies. So it's a big part, around 50% of my daily job, to communicate on an international basis.
It's a challenge for sure when you come from Europe to adjust, but at the same time it's very rich. We're probably stronger this way. We have local colleagues who better understand how our supplier works, how our production team work, and we have to be the bridge towards the customers that are probably from another culture, and this is what we experience. We deal every day with people from US, from Europe, from India, from Middle East.
For me, I enjoy the fun and challenge working with different culture and different generation at Dextra. Since Dextra has a long history, there's different generation working here from the top management to the new recruits. It's not everywhere that you get to speak 3 languages every day, and here at Dextra I get to do that.